Welcome to our tutorial on setting up your Nikon D7100. Let's break down the setup steps and get you on the fast track to capturing amazing photos. Insert the fully charged battery to battery compartment and a formatted SD card into their slot until they click into place. Align the lens mount index on the lens with the corresponding index on the camera body. Gently twist the lens clockwise until it clicks, indicating it is securely attached. Power on the camera. Access the camera's menu by pressing the menu button. Navigate to the shooting menu using direction pad and scroll down to image quality. Choose your desired image quality, such as JPEG or RAW. Adjusting the ISO settings from the menu by going to the shooting menu option, then scroll down to ISO sensitivity, and here set the desired ISO value. Alternatively, while in live view, press the ISO button and simultaneously rotate the back dial to adjust the ISO to suit your shooting conditions. Rotate the mode dial to select your shooting mode. Let the camera make most decisions for you in auto mode, ideal for beginners. Choose between autofocus AF and manual focus MF modes by switching AF level to AF position. Start with AF mode for simplicity. Take your first photo. Aim the camera at your subject. Half press the shutter button to focus, then fully press it to capture your shot. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your Nikon D7100 in the playlist linked in the description below.